She was just playing with her dog when she noticed something really strange. Every time he yawned, he made the funniest little sound, almost like he was trying to talk. She thought it was so cute that she grabbed her phone and started recording. But here's the crazy part. The moment she hit record, his yawn sounded even stranger, almost too perfect to be real. And trust me, what happens next at the very end of this clip will completely surprise you. If you ever had the chance to take a selfie with Messi or Ronaldo, who would you choose? Messi fans, leave a like. Ronaldo fans, like, subscribe, and comment.
This is my dog. He wants to show you his yawn, so you better say it's cute. Dog.